all in this video. Today in this video we will learn English 1. Okay. So children, our book is Gulmohar. If you have your book Gulmohar with you children, please take out. This is our book. This is the front page of our book and this is the back side. Okay children, and let's see the content. We have contents over here. This is the content. Okay, so today we will learn chapter 3, which is the lost love. Today we will learn chapter 3, which is the lost love. If you have a book children with you, let's take out chapter 3, page number 17. Okay, can you see this children? Okay children, tell me one thing. Does it ever happen to you that you are not feeling good? You are not feeling happy, you are feeling very low, and suddenly someone comes to you and makes you happy. It happens? Yes, it happens to everyone. So today we will learn a story about Haina. A very interesting story children from your book, which is the lost love. So do you know what's the meaning of the lost love children? The meaning of lost love means someone has lost his love. Okay, so let's begin to read the story. Okay.
The lost love. Haina was very sad. He had lost his love. So children, one day in a jungle, there was a hyena. Can you see the picture of hyena here? You know hyena? There was some problem with hyena. There was some problem with hyena. You know what he was very sad. Let's read it. So Haina went to Giraffe. Please help me find my love, Giraffe, he said. Who said? Haina said to Giraffe that, Mr. Giraffe, please help me to find my love. I'm not getting my love anywhere. Who said this? Haina said this to Giraffe. Giraffe lifted her long neck and looked around the treetops. I can't hear a laugh up here, Haina, she said. Who said? Giraffe said to Haina. You know children, giraffe is the very tallest animal in the world. So as you know children, giraffe is the tallest animal. So she looked for laugh at top of the tree, but she didn't find the laugh. So giraffe said, Mr. Haina, I can't hear the laugh. Up here it's not there. Where? On the top of the trees. Then Haina saw hippo. Then Haina went to the hippo swimming in the lake. Please help me find my laugh, hippo, he said. Haina said to hippo, please, Mr. Hippo, please help me to find out my laugh because I'm not getting my laugh anywhere. Then hippo looked in the water. I can't hear a laugh down here, she said. She said, who? Hippo said to Haina that I can't hear a laugh down here, which means Haina. Hippo said that I'm sorry Haina, I can't find your laugh here in the water. Haina went to elephant next. Then Haina went to elephant next. Please help me find my laugh, elephant, he said. Who said? Haina said to elephant that please help me to find my laugh because I'm not getting my laugh anywhere. So Haina asking help for his laugh to elephant. Now children, turn your page. Elephant flapped his big ears and listened carefully. I can't hear your laugh anywhere in the jungle, Haina. Flapped. What's the meaning of flapped, children? The meaning of flapped is moved something up and down quickly, means faster, making a noise with the sound. So elephant, can you see the ears of elephant? And what did elephant do? Elephant started, when elephant heard this, he flapped his big ears. But you know what? What he didn't get the laugh anywhere. Elephant said, sorry Haina, I can't hear your laugh anywhere in the jungle. So Haina was very sad. He was hopeless. Then what happened? Finally Haina went to monkey. Please help me find my love monkey, he said. Then finally, Hyena went to the monkey. Getting my point, children? How did you lose it, Hyena? Who said this? Asked the monkey swinging from a branch. How did you lose it, Hyena? Who said this? Monkey said this to Hyena. What's the meaning of swinging, children? And the meaning of swinging is hanging from something and moving side to side or from front. Then Hyena went to a monkey. You know, monkey is a very naughty animal, and monkey was swinging from one tree to another tree. Then Hyena asked from monkey, Mr. Monkey, please help me find my love. I'm not getting my love anywhere in the jungle. So monkey came down from the tree. Then monkey asked Hyena, tell me, how did you lose your love? Hyena said, Mr. Monkey, you know, when I used to laugh, all the animals see my big teeth. Are you getting me, children? How big it is. And when they saw my big teeth, they got scared and they ran away from me. This made me sad. He was telling his story to monkey. Then what happened? Then monkey said, Hyena, you're looking for your love in wrong places. What did monkey said to Hyena? Monkey said to Hyena that, Hyena, you're looking for your love in the wrong places. Let's read it. When I laughed, everyone, they saw my big teeth. When I laughed, everyone saw my big teeth. They got scared, said Hyena. So they ran away. This made me sad. He was telling his story to monkey. Okay. Scared means, what's the meaning of scared? And the meaning of scared is afraid of something. To get nervous, to get scared of something. Okay. Then what happened? Then you are looking for it in the wrong places. Who said this? Monkey said to Hyena that you are looking for your love in the wrong places. You know what did monkey do, children? Let's read it. He jumped down from the tree and picked up a feather. What did monkey do? Monkey jumped down from the tree and picked up a feather. Now what's the meaning of feather? Feather is a soft part that covers a bird's body. Okay. So what happened? You know what did the monkey do? He took a feather. Can you see the feather in this picture, children? He took a feather and he began to tickle Hyena everywhere. You know, tickling, when someone tickles you, you started laughing, right? So monkey tickled Hyena all over his body. And after that, Hyena let out laugh loudly and he started rolling around on the ground. In this way, Hyena got his laugh back. Let's read it here. He jumped down from the tree and picked up a feather. Then he began to tickle Hyena all over his body. Okay. Hyena started to smile. What happened then? Hyena let out laugh loudly. Hyena started laughing and he started rolling around on the ground. In this way, Hyena got his laugh. Getting my point? Loud laugh. He laughed and laughed until he was rolling around on the ground. After that, what happened? Let's read. Let's go to page number 19. All the other animals heard Hyena's laugh. All the other animals heard Hyena's laugh. After that, all the animals means giraffe, hippo, elephant, monkey, all the animals came together and they all, what happened? They came running. All four animals, all the animals, they came running. Where did you find his laugh? They asked monkey. All are asking to monkey. His laugh was inside him all the time. I just made him happy and it came out. The other animals were happy to hear this. So they laughed and laughed so that their teeth showed too. I'll never lose my laugh again, said Hyena. happily. Then what happened, children? After all the animals, giraffe, hippo, elephant, monkey, all the animals came together and they all saw that hyena was laughing. Then monkey said, to hyena, your laugh never goes anywhere. It remains inside you. It remains inside you forever. Okay, so children, whenever you feel so very sad, whenever you feel very low, whenever you just try to make yourself happy, because your laugh remains inside you. Okay, and whenever you feel happy, you just express it with smile. Just laugh loudly.
Understand the story, children? I hope you must understand the story. So we will meet in our next meeting. Thank you.